Hey there, this is Lance from Sunnybrook Combine Parts. I want to talk to you today about our Claas Lexion APS Caps. We have a couple of different options that we bring in. The first one is our 0 degree cap. This cap is designed to be a little more aggressive in feeding your cylinder. As you can see from the profile, it does look quite a bit more aggressive. You get a much freer flow of material onto the cylinder with the 0 degree APS cap. We also boronize this cap, boron being much harder than regular steel. Through our process, it actually adheres to the steel at a molecular level, so it becomes part of the steel, making this cap extremely durable. The other cap that we carry in stock is the OEM style cap. See, it's a pretty simple design. This cap is also boronized for durability, better threshing, better separation, better samples. Be better with Sunnybrook Combine Parts.